In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find File Manager in Hostinger in just a few simple steps. If you manage a website, being able to quickly access your files is incredibly useful. Whether you need to upload something, check a configuration file, or make a small website change without using FTP. This guide is quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you're just getting started with Hostinger. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account using your email and password. Once you're inside your account, you'll land on the main dashboard area where all of your hosting tools are available. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you're in the correct account and on the right site before continuing. Next, look for the website section in the left-hand menu or main navigation area. Click on Websites and then choose Dashboard for the website you want to manage. This is important because Hostinger organizes each site separately, so File Manager will appear inside the dashboard for that specific website. After the dashboard opens, scan the page for the File Manager option. In most cases, you'll see it directly inside the Website Tools panel, so you don't need to dig through a lot of menus. Once you find File Manager, simply click on it to open your site's files. Inside File Manager, you'll be able to browse folders, view your website files, and manage important content like images, scripts, and configuration files. If you're looking for your WordPress files, public_HTML folder, or other hosting directories, this is where you'll find them. If you don't see File Manager right away, take a second to make sure you are on the correct website dashboard and not just the general account overview. Sometimes the option can be easy to miss if you are scrolling quickly, so check the dashboard carefully. You can also use the search bar or tools menu if Hostinger's layout changes slightly in your account. The interface may look a little different depending on updates, but the path is usually the same. Log in, go to Websites, open Dashboard, and then click File Manager. Once you know where it is, it becomes much easier to access your site files whenever you need them. And that's it. Now you know how to find File Manager in Hostinger. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.